tired? I know you are because you're swimming crazy.
All right, parents, that's the big question here. Does your kid make this mistake? A lot of times I will see students, they can breathe, they can swim. The only thing is their breath control. They're not able to control themselves and hold their breath, take a breath, and then hold their breath and take a breath again. What it is like every second they're taking a breath and then they're exhausted afterwards. Like you heard this little guy, he's like, I'm tired. And that's exactly what happens. So one of the ways we can remedy that is you introduce a keyword. So I like to use cheeseburger. This is why I call it Cheeseburger Breaths. But it's really cool because you can count to 3 and you're gonna tell them, hey, look, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it simple. We're gonna just have you kick, hold on to this kickboard. When I count to 3, I'm gonna say cheeseburger. After I say cheeseburger, that's when you look up. And it's cool because they're focused on this keyword and the whole time they're holding their breath and they don't even realize it. So you gotta condition them into getting used to this. So you're gonna see a really good example here and this is exactly what to do. All right, check it out.
I want you to hold the back of the board right here, hold the tail, and you're gonna wait till I count to 4, okay? When I say cheeseburger, you're gonna pop up and breathe, okay? Are you ready? You set? Okay, wait till I count to 4 though. Don't look up. Head down. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. Again. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. Again. Head down. 1, head down, kick, kick. 2, kick, kick. 3, cheeseburger. Nice. Back down.
Awesome. So I hope it went well. Now they're ready for the next build. What you want to do now is you want to just have them do it by themselves. Give them some distance. Say we're doing the exact same thing. Just wait for my keyword. So now it's the same exact drill. You're just not hands-on with them. So you're giving them a little bit of more independence, and this is preparing them for when they're swimming on their own. So here's another example. Check it out.
Go. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. Again. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. Head down more. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger.
Sweet. So now when you feel like they have the concept of holding their breath and waiting for that cheeseburger, just like any sport, attack the same problem in different routes. So now you can put a noodle under their little belly, and this is cool because it's going to help them incorporate their arms, but still give them that support that they need to help them pop up. And they don't have to focus so much on that aspect of breathing. It's just focusing on the timing and the breath control. So same exact thing, put a noodle under, and then do the same swim. All right, check this out.
Get set, go. Wait till I say cheeseburger. Head down. Kick, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. Back down. Back down, good job. Head down. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. Good job, back down. Head down. 1, kick, kick, kick. 2, head down. 3, cheeseburger. Big breath. Look up. Back down. Move your hands in there. Don't get stuck. Put your head down. 1, 2, 3. Up longer. 1, 2. Get there. Yeah. There you have it, folks. An amazing cheeseburger swimmer.
I love this little guy. He's so funny. So what you're gonna see is now I feel personally that he was ready to take it on to the next build. He's showing me that he's waiting for cheeseburger. It's not perfect, but I see that he's getting the idea. Two, his kicks look good, his arms look good, and now he's ready to try it by himself. Again, attack the problem different ways. But here we are. We're going to the actual swim now. So let's see him test it out and see what it looks like.
Wait till I say cheeseburger. Okay, ready, set, go. Head down. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. Again. 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger. You gotta use bigger arms. 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. 1, kick. Head down. 1, 2, 3. Back down. 1, 2, 3. Almost there, Mare. Keep going. Kick, kick, kick. You're almost there. Keep going, dude. 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3.
Sweet. There you have it, guys. You know everything you need to do to help this problem. Remember, don't be afraid to take it back a few steps. Sometimes kids don't really grab the concept, so it's okay to take it back a few steps or even start from the beginning. You really want to iron out this wrinkle, if you will, of their swim. And yeah, don't forget, just subscribe, leave a comment, and swim stoked.